have a fat face. Do you think your face is just fat or maybe just round? I remember in our group earlier, somebody said, I thought I just had a round face. And I was like, yeah, you know what? I thought the same thing. I thought I just had a round face and I was just wrong.
She's like, Mom, how do I get my jawline more exposed? I'm like, well, you could use a bronzer or you could do some facial exercises and then like 5 pounds later.
Or you could lose some weight.
No, but I actually didn't think of that. I figured.
Well, you'd think 140 pounds later at that time, you'd think, oh, was it. No, I lost 20 more pounds. And okay, so what did I do? How did I reduce my cortisol?
We're going to tell you in this video.
We're going to tell you in this video.
Yeah.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
When you have a very round face, chances are you're accumulating a lot of fat and inflammation around your jawline. And what's really interesting about this is that this area of your body right here, this little line, this is actually the home of the most important part of your immune system. There's actually 3 areas in your body, and this is one of them. So you want this area to be well drained. You absolutely need to pay attention. If you find that your face is really round, inflamed, this is a sign that your body is telling you, hey, pay attention to me. I need you to pay attention to me. It means maybe you're too stressed out most of the time. It might be that you're not getting quality sleep, so your body isn't detoxing at night. It's a sign. So if you're finding that you're chronically inflamed, you're chronically in pain, your face is fat, you're like, where did my face go? Like, why does it look like this? Now, you might think it's a good thing because you don't have wrinkles, but I'm telling you, it's not.
One way you can help reduce your cortisol face and improve your facial structure is by drinking more water and less calorically dense foods. What you'll notice is if you're drinking a lot of like high calorie foods, you're going to notice that you're going to be really inflamed.
What's a caloric dense food and a high calorie drink?
Like peanut butter smoothies or nut butter smoothies or 4 scoops of protein in your smoothie or Coca-Cola, like these random
French fries.
Or even like sometimes bubbly drinks do make you bloated externally, face, everything included.
Sugary beverages.
Too much caffeine can cause extra inflammation.
Oh, those lattes at Starbucks with 4 pumps. Even the matcha has sugar in it. I mean, it is hard to avoid sugar at Starbucks.
But staying hydrated can help you reduce that inflammation.
Which seems kind of counterintuitive, right? Like, why would I drink more water if I'm trying to get rid of water? Well, these are 2 different things, folks. And believe it or not, your body needs the water to do its job, to get rid of the toxins and whatnot. So you can also do like a light massage with your knuckles, here and then down.
With moisturizer helps.
A little bit of oil. Yeah, you can also really massage your face. There's actually all kinds of facial exercises you can do, and you don't need fillers for it. You don't need injections.
People were talking about gua swas, and so when I was 320 pounds, I would get that little gadget gimmick and think that it would help my face. But you guys, the reality was I needed to work out. I really needed to work out. The gua sha wasn't going to do the exercise for me. I had to do it myself physically. I had to move my body. So, you got to walk more. You got to move more. You got to exercise. You got to strength train. This is also fat. It's not just your limbs. I mean, let's just be real. You don't have a naturally round face. You have a jawline. If you can't see it, you got to work it out.
For sure. And actually, my grandmother used to do that at stoplights. She would actually do facial exercises. But I know you're talking about full body workout.
Oh.
I'm very committed to movement. I mean, every day I commit 2+ hours to exercise. And it's not because I'm in some kind of, extreme mentality. I just really love the way it makes me feel. It helps me to process the thoughts, emotions, and energy that I'm, handling in this work that I do and in this life that I'm living. And so I love it. So it's become a huge part of my life. And I think that's the key.
Ultra processed foods, chips, pizzas, cookies, ice creams, all of this stuff is also going to cause you tons of inflammation. So you have to get rid of it. And if you're like, Penelope, I love my treats. I love my sweets. Great. You can still have them, especially if you're doing a group. You can learn how to make them. You can learn how to make them anywhere. You can search online. How do I make this healthy? How do I make this out of whole foods? You're going to get some answers. The world is your oyster, and there's no excuses to not get healthy in 2025. And there's no excuse to not have a jawline in 2025. So get your jawline, get your workout, ban ultra processed foods from your diet forever because they don't care about your health. They care about their bottom line. Okay. Let's just keep it real. And stay hydrated. Be a dolphin in the ocean. Drink some water. Be a hydrated fish, as I've been saying in the recent videos. Mom's telling me that I'm weird for saying that, but I don't care. I'm going to keep saying it just to bother her.
A lot of us think that the diet and lifestyle is something that's going to be boring. It's going to cost a lot. It's going to be time consuming. You really have to be committed to living a life that you love and that you feel inspired to live. And that's what we do in our Women's Accountability Group. We're right there because we know that without the accountability, it's not going to work because you hit roadblocks, you get bored of this recipe, you need that. And so we've created this amazing, nurturing, loving, incredible community. So if you want more information or if you feel like you're really ready and you want it to be different this time and you want it to last, last a lifetime? Click the link in the description, reach out to us. You know what? You're not just a number to us. We would love to get to know you better. And the only way you can do that is by reaching out to us. So definitely comment down below. Let us get to know you. It means a lot to us. We're building community here, not just putting out content to the ethers.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you all the time.
Hey, we noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed, which means you're watching our videos, you like the content, but you haven't made the commitment. So we would love it if you would subscribe.
And if you want to join our Women's Accountability Group, don't forget to click the link in the description to join. We're only accepting amazing, awesome, and ready women. So please join if you're one of those. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you all the time.